Now let us start with chapter number 3, adjectives. First question, let's link it. A. Look at the picture and complete the sentences in the bubbles with adjectives as directed. First sentence you have to fill with adjective of quality. The children are sitting under a big umbrella. Second, you have to fill with adjective of quantity. They decided to have some lemonade. Third sentence, you have to fill with adjective number. How many boats are there in the picture? There are 3 boats. Now we'll solve let's crack it. Question number A. Choose the correct demonstrative adjective and fill in the blanks. You have to select the suitable or the correct demonstrative adjective from the bracket and fill in the blanks. First one, this building is the Hamptons Court Palace. Here building is singular noun, so this will be used here. Second one, ferocious lions live in that forest. Again forest is a singular noun, so that will be used here. Then third sentence, these writings are mine. Here writings is plural noun, so these will be used. Now in the fourth sentence, what is in this? In these bags. Here bags is plural noun, so these will be used. Then fifth sentence, are those sketches yours? Here sketches is plural noun, so those will be used. Then question number B, replace the underlined words with the possessive adjectives. In these sentences, the underlined words must be replaced with the possessive adjectives. So the first sentence is Mr. Paul's article received criticism. Here in place of Mr. Paul we use his. So the sentence will be as his article received criticism. Second one, the students' answer scripts were checked. Here the students is a singular noun, so either his or her will be used here. Then we move on to third sentence. She is the queen's enemy, said Mary. Here, in place of the queen's, her will be used. Then fourth sentence, the book's pages came off. In place of the books, we will use its. Then fifth sentence, she is Zabinisa's cousin. In place of Zabinisa, her will be used. Question number C. Read the sentences carefully and underline the cardinal numbers and circle the ordinal numbers. Here you have to circle the ordinal numbers and underline the cardinal numbers. First one, our principal gave away 5 prizes for cleanliness. 5 is cardinal number. Second one, Tara was the last one to enter the hall. Last is ordinal number. Third, this dress has cost me 270 rupees. 270 are cardinal numbers. Then fourth, my classroom is the fourth one from here. Fourth is ordinal number. And fifth one, you are the third person who has complained about my dog. Third is ordinal number. Then sixth one, there were 300 people in the auditorium. 300 is cardinal number. Then question number D, look at the total marks of the top 5 students of class 4th and complete the paragraph. The first, Rita is the first position and Ravi is the second place. Hari is the third best student while Jay has achieved the fourth place. Dina is at the fifth position in class. E question, choose the correct adjective to complete the sentence. First one, Farid is quite talkative but Hari is more talkative than Farid. Second, can you see that star in the sky? Third, my sister has the most wonderful voice. Here most wonderful has been used because after the article we will use the superlative degree of comparison. Then fourth sentence, the sky is covered with white clouds. Fifth, I want to buy these books. Books is plural noun, so these has been used. Then sixth one, I left the class late. I was the last one to leave. F question, choose the correct option from the brackets and fill in the blanks. First, we went together to celebrate the glorious day. Second, the church is in a mountainous region. Third, it is natural to be angry when somebody misbehaves with you. Fourth, it was courageous of her to go on the dangerous trek alone. Fifth, Amrita enjoyed her friend's birthday party. It was magical. Fill in the blanks with the opposite of the underlined words. You have to fill the opposite of the underlined words. Second, the question paper may have some known questions, but most of them will be unknown. Opposite of known is unknown. Third, you have a home, but there are many people in the world who are homeless. Fourth, the opposite of expression is expressionless. Fifth, the opposite of tidy is untidy. Then let's perfect it. Complete the sentence with the correct form of the adjective given in brackets. No one runs faster than a cheetah. They needed a strong rope to play tug of war. Third, Neil makes the most beautiful puppets in this market. Fourth, the table was heavier than she had expected. Fifth, the architect wanted to design the best building in the town. Sixth, Simi bought a huge carpet for the dining hall. B question, choose the correct adjective from the box and fill in the blanks. Can you give me your postal address? Second, Simi went on an educational tour with her school friends. Third, Sidewinder is not a prosperous town. Fourth, the Music Academy organized a big cultural event. Fifth, Belinda is a famous writer. Now we'll start with question number C. Here you have to look at the help box on the next page. Speedy craft competition was held in a school. The students were asked to make a puppet and the time taken by each team to make it is given in the help box. Complete the paragraph below the box using information from the help box. Victory High School held a craft competition. Team C, which completed the activity in 19 minutes, got the first prize. The second prize was bagged by Team E and the third prize went to Team A. Team D came fourth and Team B came fifth. Then we will read the comprehension. Here you have to read the poem and answer the questions. A. Complete the sentences with a word or set of words. When the poet lived with her father, she would often visit children's park. She and her friends would laze and roll on the grass. They often ran to each other, listened to the songs of the lark, and enjoyed chasing butterflies and squirrels. The poet is sad because skyscrapers stand in place of the parks now. There is no park for children to play, walk, laughter, and endless talks. The buildings have blocked the view to the open sky. In the question B, you have to identify any 5 adjectives from the poem. So the adjectives are soft, green, few, delight, and no. Now we move on to let's build words. Here A question is saying that fill in the blanks with the opposite of the underlined words and complete the sentences. In each of the sentence, some opposite words you have to find out of the underlined words and write in the blanks given below. The first one is Jake has many friends but he has some enemies too. Here the opposite of friends is enemies. Then second one, this dress looks too dull for the occasion. Select the bright one. Opposite of dull is bright. Third one, if somebody attacks you, you need to know how to protect yourself. Opposite of attacked here is protect. Fourth one, the director accepted 3 proposals and rejected the rest. Opposite of accepted is rejected. Then fifth one, this rope is long but the other one is short. Opposite of short is long. Then sixth one, many years ago there was a great war in the kingdom but now there is peace. Opposite of war is peace. Then seventh one, the road I take is wide enough but Ahana takes the narrow road to school. Opposite of wide is narrow. Eighth one, it is common to spot cows in the city but it is uncommon that one would see a peacock. Opposite of common is uncommon. In the question B, you have to add an or this to make opposite of the words one has been done for you. In each of the words, you have to either use an or this so that suitable opposites are formed of those words. First one, untie. Second, disallow. Third, disappear. Fourth, unsure. Fifth, untidy. Sixth, unwrap. Seventh, discontinue. Eighth, disobey. Ninth, unused. 10th, unselfish. 11th, uncourtesy. 12th, displease. 13th, disagree. 14th, unwanted. 15th is unwise and 16th is disrespect. Like this you have to make the opposite of the words.